Recently nituronire FAROUK Kibet igongona-inĩ akĩyumĩria na kuga atĩ former executive leaders arĩa magĩkoragwo na retirement benefit ici nene kama former presidents, former deputy presidents nĩ megũkorwo makĩreducerwo their retirement benefits as a form of austerity measures to cope up with the tough economy in the country.
Tunataka kuuliza na nataka kuuliza watu ya Vika, huyu rais ambaye amestaafu aliwacha nini huko Ikulu? Iko kitu aliwacha huko? Sisi tunamwambia awache uchochezi. Watu ya Vika mnasema namna gani? Hata mamlaka ikikuja hapa magharibi sio ni sawa? Ni sawa si sawa? Sasa tunaambia Ichung'wa, sisi tunataka mtu yoyote ambaye anaenda staafuni, anaenda retire, hii kitu ipelekwe bunge. Yule mtu anauzika kwa siasa, pesa yake ya retire itolewe ipatiwe wananchi. Watu ya Vika, hiyo ni sawa si sawa? Hii activeness ya huyu jamaa analeta ukabila everywhere. Nyinyi mnataka ukabila? Kama Wetangula ama Musalia ata make our rise, is there a problem? Is there a problem? Hata kesho Mungu akipenda, uongozi ikienda kwa Hamala, iende kwa Osoro, iende hapa kwa Dagala, sisi tunasema Mungu asifi. Hiyo ndio siasa sisi tunataka kusumusa kama Wakenya. Nataka kuuliza wale wameshindwa kuwafanyia Wakenya kazi, sisi wa relax vile watu wanasema, watu wafanye namna gani?
Na umuthi ndarikia kuona what has been done right now. Turarikia kuona former president Uhuru Kenyatta's retirement benefits are set for 94.6 million funding cutback in the upcoming national budget, bringing its allocation down from 371 million to 276 million. The biggest reductions are on foreign travel, which is 46 million, insurance, which is 23 million, and domestic travel, which is 11 million. In that, in what appears to be part of broader austerity measures. Similar cuts will affect former Prime Minister Raila Odinga, whose allocation drops from 22.9 million, drops by 22.9 million to 63 million, and former Vice Presidents KALONZO, Musyoka, and UHURU, whose budgets are set at 52 million and 53 million respectively. Maya ni maundu maria thirikari irakirikia kuga ati in a plan ya gukorwo reduce taxes na gukorwo reduce government spending and expenditure. Ni makarakorwo reduce allocation icio cikoragwo allocated to former president, twakiona ya Uhuru hau, ya Raila Odinga ni akiri prime minister hindi ya Kibaki, na KALONZO Musyoka ari deputy vice president hindi ya Kibaki, na UHURU. Now, this is part of what people are saying, that Uhuru ni arakoro akihumiliate ni the current government, because ni akoretwo akiaririria uhoro wa Gen Z na the youth of the country right now gukorwo makiyumiria na go save the country, and this is not sitting well with Ruto and team.
So you millennials and Gen Zs and all of us, we are also told we are young people by the Vice President. I agree, even me, I'm still young. So you're told you're as young as you feel. Me, I feel young. So, but anyway, there are those who are millennials. You have your Gen Zs here as well. Allow me to state this point once more for emphasis. Nobody outside of Africa is coming to save you. Do not have any misguided thought that there's anybody who is coming to save you. In the words of Elridge Cleaver, an American writer and civil rights activist, you are either going to be part of the solution or you are part of the problem. This message holds true today as it did decades ago at the height of America's civil rights movement. The good news also, however, I believe, is that I have witnessed such a pivotal moment to effect change. All the elements necessary to bring about lasting and irreversible change are currently within your grasp as young people. And why, you say, do I say this? And let me just say, for starters, again, as has been mentioned, the demographics, first and foremost, are in your favor. The median age across our African continent in 2025 is 19.3 years, against a global median of 30.4 years. This means that over 65% of all Africans are below the age of 25. You have the numbers, you have the time, you have the energy to get involved and stay involved in governance discussions until you effect the change you wish to see. You have the time. Our elder, Mzee here, told us that when he stood here starting his journey, he was 23 years old. He's now 88 going 89, still fighting. Some of you have not even touched 23 and you are lamenting. My friend, this is a call to action. Get up and start moving. This is your call to action. Now is the time. Now, not tomorrow, not the day after, not after you graduate. No, now is the time. Now. So, like I say, you have the numbers, you have the time, and you have the energy to get involved and stay involved in governance discussions until you effect the change you want to see.
Nakogo, in a way to humiliate, we are going to reduce these benefits for these people. Recently Gachagua akorwo akiyumiria na gukorwo akiuga ati the president needs to be respected. Anyone who has been a president needs to be respected. Any former president needs to be respected, and it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what. Of course, that was not the only reason. And turonete other leaders igogona-ini riu magikorwo makibash Uhuru Kenyatta direct. Nido wa amerio yake ya gukorwo aki-encourage Gen Z na youths of the country. They stand up for the nation. Guys, dio imoni makumegi uhoro. And you can comment down there and tell us what you think about this. Is this a genuine move ya gukorwo reduce government expenditure, or it is a humiliation tactic? Comment here uture maoni makumegi uhoro.